In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new level in Revit from an elevation or section view. Levels are the backbone of a Revit model because they define the vertical heights where floors, ceilings, and other elements live. The first thing to know is that levels are only visible and editable in vertical views like elevations or sections, so start by opening one of those. In the project browser, double-click a north or east elevation, or open a section you've already placed. Once you're in that vertical view, zoom in so you can clearly see existing levels, if any, and the area where you want to add the new one. This helps you place it precisely and keeps your model clean. Next, activate the Level tool. Go to the Architecture tab on the ribbon, find the Datum panel and click Level. You'll see the cursor change and the options bar at the top will show settings specific to the Level tool. This is where you can check or uncheck Make Plan View. When Make Plan View is checked, Revit automatically generates a corresponding floor plan and ceiling plan for the level you place. If you don't need those views created right now, uncheck it before you draw. With the Level tool active, it's time to place the new level line. Click once to set your first point, then move the cursor horizontally and click a second time to finish the line. Revit constrains levels to be horizontal, so focus on choosing a start and end that span the model where you need the datum to extend. As you move the cursor, use alignment snap cues to match the length of nearby levels so your drawings look consistent. If you see a temporary dimension for the elevation height, that's normal and helps you confirm the height before or after placement. After clicking the second point, Revit places the level, and if Make Plan View was enabled, it automatically creates the associated floor and ceiling plans. That means you can jump straight into modeling on that level without extra setup. If the plans don't appear, you likely had Make Plan View off, and that's fine. You can create the views later based on your office standards. To wrap up, remember the simple flow. Work in an elevation or section, activate Architecture, Datum, Level, and click 2 points horizontally to place the level. Keeping your levels organized and clean in vertical views sets a solid foundation for everything else you'll build.